Hello, in today's session, we'll discuss the fitting of straight line, concept, and the formula. So far we have come across many types of functions, a polynomial function or sine function, cosine function, and different such functions. Now, we need to understand that where does this functions actually come from? So actually what happens is we are provided with, or we by the experiments and trial get some n number of equations, and through which we try to find the actual equation which will be the best fit for the certain condition. So let's say we have got some n pairs of x and y values. Using this, we need to find the best fit, and that is the equation f of x equal to 0. So there are different methods by which we can find the equation or the function. That can be possibly graphical method, method of least square, method of group averages, and maybe method of moments, of which we consider the method of least square method as the best method to find the best fit of the curve for the given conditions. So the understanding is that we may have certain points on the xy plane, and we need to find a straight line. Let's say this one, which gives the equation which will have the least error in terms of the actual values and the values which comes on the straight line. So for this we can apply different methods, of which the method of least square method is the best one. So let's start and discuss what happens when it comes to the straight line using the curve fitting. Now, to fit the straight line, that is y equal to a naught plus a1 x. So let us say we are given with set of paired observation x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, and such n pairs. Now we need to understand that the error will be equal to the y measured minus y model. So this will be equal to yi minus, the model comes from the equation, and that will be a naught plus a1 xi. So this is the error we will face, but since some of the error is going to be positive, some of the error is going to be negative, so overall error may get cancelled. So in that case, we take the criteria of error square and try to minimize it. For minimum of error square for, let's say, I equal to 1 to n with the variables a0 and a1, this will be equal to minimum of I equal to 1 to n yi minus a0 minus a1 xi whole square. Now with the help of calculus, we can try to minimize this error in terms of the two variables, that is a0 and a1. So let's say this is SR. So the first condition can be DSR over dA0, which will be equal to minus 2 times of summation I equal to 1 to n yi minus a0 minus a1 xi. Let us say this has to be equal to 0, and similarly dsr over the other variable, that is a1, will be equal to minus of 2 times of I equal to 1 summation to n yi minus a0 minus a1 xi times of xi equal to 0. So these are the two conditions which will help us to find the variable for which we'll have the minimum error. So let us say this is equation number 1 and let us say this is equation number 2. So from 1 we'll have summation of yi I equal to 1 to n minus summation of a0 I equal to 1 to n minus summation of a1 xi from I equal to 1 to n equal to 0. And from here we can say that the summation of a0 from I equal to 1 to n will be equal to n times of a0, and this will be equal to summation of xi times of a1. So this a1 will be a constant, I equal to 1 to n equal to summation of yi from I equal to 1 to n. Now similarly from equation 2 we'll get summation of xi yi from I equal to 1 to n minus summation of a0 xi from I equal to 1 to n minus summation of a1 xi square from I equal to 1 to n equal to 0. And from here we may rewrite this as summation of xi a0 I equal to 1 to n plus summation of xi square a1 I equal to 1 to n equal to summation of xi yi from I equal to 1 to n. So let's say this is the third equation and this is the fourth equation. So this third and fourth equation are the normal equation, which we may write it as summation of y equal to a0 times of n plus a1 times of summation of x, and the second one as summation of x y equal to summation of xy equal to a0 times of summation of x plus a1 times of summation of x square. And these are the normal equations which will help us to find the straight line equation. Now all we need to do is solve these normal equations, which are actually simultaneous equations, as simultaneous equations, and then we can find the values of a0 and a1. Substituting this E0 and E1 in y equal to A0 plus A1x, and that is the required line of best fit. Thank you.